Welcome to the Dovinh Group's latest listing here at 304 Olympic Place here in Bremerton, Washington. Let's go take a look. One thing I want to point out before we go inside is this front deck here. Very nice feature. You can have a nice cup of tea, orange juice in the morning, enjoy the sunshine. We don't have that right now, but we typically do coming up soon at this beautiful craftsman home. As you come into this beautiful home, you have this covered entryway, and the first thing I notice is the tons of natural light that you have in this living room. It's got really great high ceilings, it has updated lighting, and a cozy fireplace for you to enjoy with your loved ones. Coming out of this living space, we have this beautiful formal dining area, again with high ceilings, updated lighting, and I want to point out that the picture windows, they have this really beautiful thick molding, and then you have these thick baseboards around the home, which gives it that really nice 100-year-old flavor. And behind me is the kitchen, and I want to point out that you have a second entrance on the side of the house, which is very convenient for groceries and entertaining inside and out. As you make your way out of the kitchen, you have a pantry on the right, you have a full bathroom here on the left, and then 2 bedrooms right behind me. Now let's go downstairs and check it out. Whoa, fancy seeing you here. Well, downstairs here, I want to point out that there is plenty of storage space. This basement is fully finished. It comes with a 3/4 bathroom, and you have your washer dryer right behind as well. Coming out of the basement, you have your 1-car garage here, which is great for additional storage, has your hot water tank, and it's just a very practical way to come in and out of your house. That's the 3rd entrance right here. Hey, thanks for stopping by this awesome listing and touring it with me. This place has it all. Great storage, great garage down there, 100-year-old craftsman home near the Seattle Ferry, and lots of local cafes. Come check it out at one of our open houses.